Welcome back. Someone wanted me to draw like an animal, so I decided that animal would be a penguin. So we're gonna draw this cute little penguin here, and it looks kind of like it's a mad, so it's like a mad cute penguin thingy. So let's get started. So today you will be needing something to draw on, something to draw with, and something to erase, just in case you mess up or something. So, or you can have an extra thing to draw with you. I'm just had my eraser here. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the eyes, which are really simple. You're gonna just start with these two little code things that are like connected, like this. So just do like two little circles, so kind of like little bunny ears meeting together. And then you're gonna add like the pupils, which are just like lines, as you can see, and then you color them in. You like do a curved line like that, and then you color it in. So that's all it is. So then you do the beak, which is just this little circle thing basically, and you put two dots, 1, 2. So it doesn't have to look like mine, but yeah. So then you're going to do the head. You just draw a big circle around it, just like this, and this is the head. Okay? Then you draw a giant, rectangular circle thing for the body. And then you add the footballs, which are just like tiny little curves. So they're kind of like the eyes, but they're a lot bigger. So now that you've got this cute little figure thing, you've got to do the toes, which are or the feet. And they're just like they're like upside down M's. Here, you can watch me make one. 1, 2. Just like an upside down M. So then, for the thing in the middle that they have, do a circle. Okay, so we have one more part left to do, and that's like the hair. You don't have to add the hair, but I'm going to. So you just go like that. Just kind of sprout it up. You can do whatever hairstyle you want. Just kind of want mine like that, just like a little thing sticking off of its head. So that's how you draw it, and if you want to, you can add an egg. I'm just going to add an egg right next to it. Just a little oval. I'll do 1 egg, I'll do 2 eggs. Oh, that's a circle, not an egg. So you guys can do eggs like I'm doing. So you guys like the circle egg. And I'm going to put a crack in one of them. So to put a crack in one of the eggs, you just do a zigzag across it, and it looks like it's cracking on the other one too. So you've got a penguin and 2 cracking eggs. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, you can add in the comments whatever you want me to draw. Oh, yeah, and Uncle Matt, sorry, but I don't do Jayhawks. Maybe I can do a tiger. I don't know. Maybe it'll show up in the video next time. See y'all later!